Want to make money while you sleep? Let's explore the world of passive income. Passive income means earning money without constantly working. It's like having a money-making machine running in the background, generating cash even while you relax. This guide shows you how to build your own money-making machine. Understanding passive income. Passive income comes from investments or projects that require minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term financial security and freedom. Top passive income strategies for beginners. Real estate. Invest in rental properties or use real estate crowdfunding platforms. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn commissions. Self-published ebooks. Create and sell ebooks on topics you know well. Digital products. Sell online courses, templates, stock photos, or other digital downloads. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay out dividends to shareholders. Real estate investing simplified. Start small. Focus on residential properties or consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, if you want less hands-on management. Choose locations with high rental demand and potential for appreciation. Affiliate marketing made easy. Find affiliate programs that align with your interests. Build an audience, blog, social media, etc., and authentically promote products. Focus on providing value to your audience. Ebooks. Share your knowledge. Earn passive income. Write an ebook on a topic you know well. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to easily reach a wide audience. Promote your book through social media and email marketing. Digital products. Tap into online trends. Create digital products that solve problems or fulfill needs. Sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Market your products effectively. Dividend stocks. Steady income potential. Invest in established companies with a history of paying dividends. This provides a regular income stream, but remember that stock prices can fluctuate. Important tips for success. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Stay organized. Track your income and expenses. Set goals. Having clear goals keeps you motivated. Learn continuously. The world of passive income is always changing. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful passive income stream. Diversify. Don't rely on just one source of income. Common mistakes to avoid. Underestimating the work. Building passive income streams requires effort upfront. Poor planning. Do your research and create a solid plan. Ignoring marketing. Promote your products or services effectively. Lack of patience. Building a successful passive income stream takes time. Passive income is a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. Choose strategies that align with your skills and interests, work hard initially, and be patient, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of earning while you sleep.